Kisa launches first store in Bangalore, celebrating fearless fashion and individuality. Bangalore, 20th September 2025. Kisa, the men's ethnic fashion brand celebrated for its bold colors and fearless designs, proudly announces the launch of its first Bangalore store today. This opening marks a significant milestone in Kisa's retail expansion beyond Kolkata. The brand is already present across multiple cities in India and globally through its online D2C channel. Kisa was founded with a bold mission to make vibrant, experimental ethnic wear accessible to a new generation unafraid to experiment and stand out. Designed for Gen Z and style-forward thinkers, Kisa celebrates fearless self-expression through fashion. After making its mark online and across 3 stores in Kolkata, Kisa is here to ignite Bangalore's creative youth to embrace their individuality, bold, proud, and unapologetic. Commenting on the new store's launch, Yash Saravgi, co-founder, Kisa Apparels PVT Ltd. said opening our Indiranagar store is truly a special milestone for Kisa. Bangalore isn't just another city for us, it's the city that has shown us the maximum love across all our online channels, with the majority of our top-selling pin codes coming from here. Its rich cultural mix and dynamic youth make it the perfect fit for Kisa's fearless fashion. We have crafted the store keeping the savvy young Bangalorean in mind. It's a self-guided store with an immersive experience. From layout to lighting, every detail is designed to spark curiosity and excitement, turning every visit into something memorable, inspiring, and worth coming back for, he added. Located at shop number 2012, ground floor, Shreyas Plaza, 100 Feet Road, Indiranagar, Bangalore, the new Kisa store invites shoppers to discover bold, versatile styles that celebrate self-expression and break away from the ordinary.
It's time for, and we are very excited in this milestone. Ultra range starts from 2,000 to 2,500, goes up to 5,000. Then we have very range jacket sets. It is starting from a price range of 4,000 to up to 8,000-10,000. And there is this into Western Sherwani range, which starts from about 7,000-8,000 and goes up to 15,000. So that's the kind of
Bangalore, we are just waiting for you to come and see us. Please drop in 100 feet Indiranagar. We would love to have you on our store. We have a very, very wide range of men's ethnic wear, right from kurtas, bottom wear, bomber jackets is a must try. Please do come visit us and you let us know what how you like it. Please tag us on Insta and then we'll have a surprise for you waiting. Our store, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.